In this tutorial, we will learn how to define the European material property. For European material property, you have to go to in define, again click on material property, click on add new material, select the region is Europe. Firstly, we will take concrete material type. For concrete, there are only one standard, EN 1992. This is also called EC2. Grade can be C12 to C90. One is the cubic strength and one is the cylindrical strength. The cylindrical strength is 0.8 times of the cubic strength. Code gives the both value. For an example, we click on C25 to C25 by C30. Then right click on OK. This is the material property data window. Material name is C25 and material type is concrete. Directional symmetrical type is isotropic. For concrete, we have to select isotropic only. After that, specify weight density and mass density. Weight per unit volume is 24.9926 kilonewton per meter cube and mass per unit volume is 2548.538 kg per meter cube. Below the material weight and mass, here is the mechanical property data. The modulus of elasticity is 31,000 per MPa. Poisson ratio is 0.2, coefficient of thermal expansion 0.0001 and shear modulus is 12,916 MPa. Below the mechanical property data, here is the most important option, design property data. We will check compressive strength of concrete. Concrete cube compressive strength is 25 MPa. For material name C25. Then click on OK. Below the design property data, here is the most important three options. First one is non-linear material data, second is material damping properties, and third one is time dependent properties. User need to understand this thing is that all this data is already been entered by the E tab. It is a by default material property and all the properties defined very precisely as per the codal recommendation. So I am not recommended to change this material property. But if you are a researcher or doing something on material, then you can change this property. But before going to change this property, you should have to know everything about the mechanical property data or material weight and mass, like modulus, elasticity, Poisson ratio, thermal expansion, and shear modulus, and all. After this, we will go for non-linear material data. If you are doing non-linear analysis, in non-linear analysis, what we do as that we extensively study the behavior of material, frame, and displacement. What exactly we enter in the non-linear analysis window? This is the non-linear analysis material data window. In the non-linear analysis window, we model the hinges. There are three types of hinges accordingly to different earthquake standards. One is IO, second one is LS, and third one is CP. IO means immediate occupancy, LS means life saving, and CP means collapse provision. In acceptance criteria strain, by default the strain value in IO in tension is 0.01 and compression is 0.003 and the unit is mm per mm. It means it is a strain value. While modeling or while analyzing, if at a section or at a hinge the tension exceeds 0.01 and compression exceeds 0.003, it means it is not in IO. It goes to in LS. This data can be customized manually also, but I not recommended. In this window, we can also see the stress strain graph. Click here. So this is the stress strain graph of concrete. This is the IO stage and this is the LS stage. Click here done. Material damping property is defined according to need, and time dependent is also defined according to need. So right click here on OK. You user need to see here C25 by 30 material property is successfully added. After this we will define steel material property. Material type steel, standard code is EN 1993. For steel there are 4 grade: S235, S275 and S355 and S455. Most of the time in Europe, S275 and S355 is usage. So I am selected S275 and click on OK. This is the material name S275. Material type is steel. Direction symmetric type is also isotropic. And this is the material weight mass density data. This is the mechanical property data. I am not recommended to change this material properties data because it is also defined by the code and it is defined very precisely. So don't change this data. And if you want to go for non-linear analysis, then go here. Every value is already predefined, so don't change any value. This is the stress strain diagram of the material steel. So click here OK. OK. In every material there have a mechanical property data. So in all material the window user interface is same. This is the material damping properties. If you have to need, then only you can use this option. Then click here and OK. After this we will add river. We are using river for reinforcement. So there are no any standards for river. Everything we have to give according by own self. In this lecture I talk about all the material property of Europe. For masonry also there are no any standards. We have to anything given according by own self for masonry. In next lecture I will talk about USA material property. So thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video then please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.